Crypto Anup altcoin. Let's go everyone. Welcome and thank you so much for joining in. So today in this video, we are going to talk about 5 different altcoins. 5 different altcoins which right now is flashing a very interesting scenario. Yes guys, we are going to talk about all of this one by one, but first thing first, destroy that like button. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now looking at this most important one, Ethereum here in a daily time frame, we can see on our previous video we talked about this formation which was indicating us that in the upcoming days, in the upcoming weeks, there could be potential retracement towards this rising trend line, which in the past price action acted as a very important line of support, might be attracting the price. Yes guys, the price of Ethereum could be getting attracted towards this rising trend line and also could be following this falling trend line before deciding the trend duration. And that's why we said in the upcoming days, this rising trend line around 1700 to 1680 could be looked as our upcoming target before the price of Ethereum chooses a trend duration, because we can see very clearly guys, each and every time during a downtrend like this, the lower trend line and the falling trend line always acted as a strong line of support. Once we got support from both, after that we had this very nice impulsive movement. A very similar scenario unfolded here as well. Support from this falling trend line, and now if we do get attracted towards this rising trend line and also at the same time get support from this falling trend line, then I am actually expecting a very nice impulsive movement here in price action of Ethereum. Because if you have watched my previous video, I showed you in a weekly time frame the price of Ethereum could be forming just see Livermore widening mouth cylinder, which will look like this. Yes guys, a pullback would mean a retracement around this 0.7 before showing bullishness, and in our case, if that is going to happen, then this could turn the price of Ethereum in the upcoming week once we reach the key line of support very bullish. Not just only looking at this, even if we look at the price structure here in a bit different way, I mean if we look at the ascending channel formation for Ethereum, the upper line always rejected the price. We even had fake out, but at the end the price did got attracted towards this lower trend line before deciding the trend duration. So that's why if this trend here is going to show further weakness, get attracted towards this rising trend line and even the support from this falling trend line around 1680 to 1700 range, then parallelly the price could be also testing the support, right? One of the most important support from this lower trend line or ascending channel lower trend line. I mean this lower trend line again around 1680 to 1700 might be attracting the price here in the medium short term. And once we approach around that range, then we are going to decide an actual trend duration. Because if this here is going to be a continuation pattern like this, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, then after finding support at this lower trend line, after finding support at this rising trend line, we could be preparing ourselves for this new impulsive movement. So for Ethereum, let's wait. Let's not panic even if we see further retracement, because if we do see a continuation here to the downside from the area where we are, there could be another 4 to 5% price retracement. So let's focus around this 1700, 1680 range before talking about an actual price retracement. So this is what I see looking at price action of Ethereum. Now, if we look at the price action of Litecoin here in a bigger frame, just like with Ethereum, we are forming this accumulation cylinder with widening mouth from Jesse Livermore, which right now is pointing us, hey, if the price of Litecoin prior to halving is going to show further weakness, then this lower trend line is where we could be getting attracted, and this lower trend line could be an ideal buying opportunity for investors. Yes guys, those who are seeking for opportunity, those who are looking to accumulate Litecoin, then we could see a retracement of 20 to 25%, which could bring the price around 60 to 70 range, because we know RSI is turning bearish. We are appearing around 50 level, because once we break below the 50 level, that will indicate the upcoming days might be bearish for Litecoin. MACD is a bearish MACD crossover. Yes guys, this here is a bearish MACD crossover, which is also indicating weakness for the upcoming days. Along with the RSI, along with the price action, you can see there could be potential range bound and slowly price heading towards this lower trend line before deciding the actual trend duration. And if you are looking to accumulate Litecoin prior to the halving, we have only 71 days left. This could be a great price range, $60 to $70. Now, if we jump into Binance BNB coin, since our previous update, you can see this is playing out. I mean, the price of Binance, after losing the support from this lower trend line, we are slowly getting attracted towards this price target or the price opportunity from this rising wedge. And according to this rising wedge, the price opportunity means we could see $200-$220 range one more time before looking for any opportunity, because according to this example, that will lead to another 25 to 30% retracement here in BNB coin. But if we look at this in a daily time frame, we can see very clearly, guys, the price of BNB in the past price action during this uptrend formed a very interesting formation known as falling wedge. Once this falling wedge broke out, after that we had a very nice impulsive price movement. Similar formation is also unfolding here. I mean, the upper line resistance, upper line from this falling wedge is acting as a resistance, 314-315 range, and now we are seeing some weakness. So if we do get lucky, right, with some range bound finally breaking here to the upside, that could lead to another impulsive movement here towards the lower trend line one more time before deciding the trend duration. I mean, price could see attempt to break out from this lower trend line from the rising wedge around $333-$335 before deciding the trend duration. So if you are looking for any opportunity right now, then I would suggest you to wait until the price of BNB finally breaks out from this resistance line, the upper line area from this falling wedge, because once the upper line resistance gets broken, there is a very high probability that we could see another retracement like this before, right, choosing a trend duration, because we know around this price range of $335 to $330, this would be the lower line wedges from this rising wedge. And now if we look into Dogecoin price action, for Dogecoin, I am going to keep it very simple for you guys. If you simply look at this price action after this parabolic move, now we are clearly in a downtrend. But if you look at this parabolic curve line, with each and every relief rally, this parabolic curve line acted as a strong line of resistance and also attracted the price. Yes, this parabolic curve line attracted the price before deciding the trend duration. I mean, right now, after this massive price retracement, we are seeing the price of Dogecoin clearly range bounding or so-called accumulation phase. Yes, guys, this could be an accumulation phase, but for this accumulation phase to play out, we need the price of Dogecoin to clearly show another movement like this, breaking the previous temporary resistance line and then slowly starting this new uptrend. Because if you look at this price formation, even though you could say, hey, this might be showing further weakness, because if you look at the price structure right now, we can see the price of Dogecoin is forming a symmetrical triangle, but the symmetrical triangle formation is being formed during a downtrend, and price has also retraced from the top to the bottom line more than 93%. That's why I don't think this would be a bad idea to accumulate some Dogecoin as well, because if you look at the next area of confluence, you can see this lower trend line around $5 to $6 would be also a great buy zone. Yes, guys, around this price range, if we do see the symmetrical triangle favoring the shorts, once we break the lower trend line, that would result in another 20 to 25% retracement, but this would be a great buying opportunity to all of us. So that's why this is what I see looking into price action of Dogecoin. Now, quick look at PEPE, because if we look at the price action of PEPE here in a 4-hour time frame, after this parabolic move, now we are clearly in a downtrend. I mean, the parabolic curve support has already ended, and now we are clearly in a downtrend. And since our last update, the price of PEPE has dropped around 19%. Yes guys, I showed you why there could be another retracement above 25 to 30%. Now it is finally happening. So according to this example, if this symmetrical triangle first is going to show further weakness here to the downside, then you can see guys, this here would result in another, according to the price opportunity from the symmetrical triangle, if we do see further retracement here to the downside, that could result in a price retracement of a 40 to 45%. Yes, 40 to 45% price retracement could be on the line. So I just want you guys to be a bit careful, because this meme coin, it is looking like more of a pump and dump coin. So if we do see further retracement around the price range of 0.0000007778 would be great buying price zone. Yes guys, this here would be a great buying zone if you are waiting, if you are looking to buy some more PEPE before the next altcoin season starts. So if you are looking to buy PEPE, I would definitely wait some more days, some more weeks before it finally starts showing some accumulation or consolidation before jumping in. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoy this kind of update, then please guys, destroy that like button. If you want to support me further, you know, a comment is always appreciated. But if you are watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.